either.
Johnson made it.
He went off of there.
So?
No, I like jump off that little like part of the bed.
That's crazy. Johnson, you do it first. I'm not that help. I'm sure myself.
Window ledge, Johnson, window ledge.
The gas.
I'm gonna break something.
Just like a window. They just fall out.
What can you make?
This one.
How scary is that?
It's like all you gotta do
in the window all night.
You get butt naked out there?
Dive from the window ledge.
I wish you were lower down so people could see me.
Window ledge. Get your sauce.
Somebody outside.
Open the door, Jack.